Hi, Savannah from LTYG Shoppe, and today I want to talk to you about Mucosacalm. Mucosacalm contains the ingredients that Jini feels are the best healers for the intestinal wall and mucosal lining. Ingredients like NAG, DGL licorice root, slippery elm bark, and wild-crafted marshmallow root. These are all highly likely to be well tolerated. This product is the same formula as Mucosal, if you remember that, but with a new name. The NAG was changed to a vegan source to remove the shellfish allergen, and wild-crafted ingredients were added. Per Jini, DGL licorice root helps with muscle spasms, promotes adrenal gland function, soothes inflammation, and improves the quality of the mucosal lining. Slippery elm can help with diarrhea. It also helps to soothe inflamed mucous membranes of the stomach, intestines, and urinary tract. Marshmallow root soothes and heals mucous membranes, skin, and other tissues, and it also aids the body in expelling excess mucus and fluid. NAG is an amino sugar that forms the basis of complex molecular structures that are key parts of connective tissue and mucous membranes of the body. Things like tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bone matrix, skin, synovial or joint fluid, and intestinal lining. If you're having 3 or more bowel movements per day, you want to open the capsules and mix them either in water or you can use diluted apple juice. These capsules are actually really easy to open, so you just want to go like that. Perfect. Dump that in there. Make sure you get it all out. And you want to make sure that you drink it on an empty stomach. So you want to do this 20 minutes before food or 2 hours after food. Go ahead and just mix it in. Just like that. The number of capsules that you want to take really just depends on the severity of your symptoms. For basic maintenance, you want to take 3 capsules on an empty stomach before you go to bed. Ideally, you want to empty your bowels before taking those 3 capsules at night. So there you have it. Mucosacalm is 100% natural with no artificial ingredients or preservatives. It's vegan, so it doesn't contain wheat, yeast, soy, milk, lactose, or sugar. And to top it all off, it's certified gluten-free.